Hey dear friends, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the methods for installing a ventilation fan. So stay with me until the end. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos. Also, support me by liking this video. This ventilation fan is burnt out and needs to be replaced. First, we remove the burnt out fan from its place. Here is a new fan that I'm going to install. Since this fan doesn't have a power plug, we need a power cable. The wire colors are as follows: blue for neutral, yellow-green for earth, brown for live. However, in this fan, the color coding is slightly different. Black for neutral, yellow for earth, red for live. Now, we carefully connect all the wires and wrap them well with electrical tape to prevent any short circuits. Before installing the fan on the ceiling, I'll turn it on once to make sure it's working properly. Alright, the fan is working fine. Now, we place the fan in its position. As you can see, this fan is slightly larger, so we need to widen the hole a bit. We will do this using a saw. Now that the sizes match, we place the fan in position. Tighten the screws. And put the cover. Now, connect the air vent pipe as well. Finally, we plug it into the socket, and that's it. The fan has been successfully installed and is working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and support me by liking this video.